Hello friend, welcome to Around the World Reviews YouTube channel. This video discuss about my top 10 best Halloween cities in the US and what to do while you're there. So let's start my video. Top 10 best Halloween cities in the US and what to do while you're there. Summary: Nashville, Tennessee embeds the spooky tailored with haunted tour and the pubs, colors and visitors can explore the city 100 houseboat. Key West, Florida offers a dark twist to its sunny beach vibes with tours that highlight the spooky tourist behind its famous landmark. St. Augustine, Florida is the perfect Halloween city with a late night tourist and that delve into the urban city and haunted history of the era. Spooky season is the full swing and the city across the city and awaiting from the 31st of reside celebrating while visiting the biggest and big pumpkin patch in the country may be the perfect family friendly active some Halloween audience start looking for something a little elegant haunted house and ghostly tour at the Pound B. Towards these 10 cities are sure to bring plenty of scare with their Halloween fun. Nashville, Tennessee. Nashville may be music city, but when fall comes around, the neon lights get a slightly darker undertone. Historic pubs with superficially spectral visitors and downtown street with ghostly music make Nashville and perfect place to get in Halloween spring. The cost-effective shadow of Music City, Ghost, Voodoo Murder and Mystery Tour in Nashville offer the $25 opportunity to explore many of the spookiest part of the Nashville is one of go while to Nashville $100 and booze tour is ideal for those who want to enjoy some of the best pubs in the city while learning about their haunted guests. Top rated Halloween tour in Nashville. Nashville seeking spring 13 pubs crawl. Cost from $99.99 per person. Time 2 hours including walking tour, professional guides, small group tour. Key West, Florida. Key West is one of the top beach destinations in the US with a number of activities to enjoy all year around. Even the October, Key West is one of the best places to visit in the US with a dark side perfect for a Halloween season tour exploring some of the most famous landmarks in every interest and budget. For East Martello. Top rated Halloween tour in Key West, Robert O'Toole Experience VIP Ghost tour at Fort East Martello. Cost from $45 per person. Time 1 hour. Inclusion ghost hunting equipment after hour. Fourth access admission to Fort Earth Martello Museum. St. Augustine, Florida. Florida is a beach lover's paradise with a number of beautiful stretches of white sand of lounge and hidden along the shore are also some of America's most haunted buildings with creepy lighthouse, historic graveyard and area dark galleries. Halloween city to visit this October. Top rated Halloween tour in St. Augustine Ghost tour of St. Augustine the original haunted street tour. Cost from $25 per person. Time $1.5 hour. Inclusions ghost map and St. Augustine fully guided tour of St. Augustine. Louisville, Kentucky. The land of bourbon and horse racing. Kentucky is hiding a few skeletons in a closet. The ghost of the Prohibition era and derbies long gone still fed. Louisville is one of the best stop that drink at the stop as well. Top rated Halloween tour is Louisville, the Glitters Ball City walking tour. Cost from $90 per person. Time 2.5 hours. Inclusion alcoholic beverage, autographic copy of a dark room in Glitter Ball City, souvenir local guide. Charleston, South Carolina. This ready to literally step back in time will love wandering the perfectly spooking street on Charleston, South Carolina, and a number of more McBurn excursion visitors. Top-rated Halloween tour in Charleston, haunted evening horse and carriage tour in Charleston cost from $50 person, time 40 minutes. Inclusion carriage ride, clarified tour, guided tour of haunted allies graveyard and a dungeon. Boston, Massachusetts. The capital of Massachusetts and the center of many of colonial America's most significant movements, there are no doubt of Boston is overflowing as well. From its immersive Boston Ghost gravestone trolley toward a simple gap guided East Coast cities to live prepping and night of Boston truly beyond the ghost of the past. Top-rated Halloween tour in Boston Ghost of Gravestone trolley tour. Cost from $57.20 per person, time 2 hours. Inclusion them trolley ride with grave digger to tour guide stop at 2 burial ground, Savannah, Georgia. Another destination hunted by the Civil War, Savannah, Georgia truly embraces the spooky seasons. Is considered one of the best destinations on the East Coast Halloween lovers. Although participate allowing them the drive into the darkest part of Savannah history. Top-rated Halloween tour in Savannah history and haunted candidate coast walking tour cost from $32 person, time 1.5 hours. Inclusions professional guided narrative walking tour, lantern guide. Chicago, Illinois. The Windy City is excellent budget-friendly destination, particularly in the fall when tires gangster can bottle lager thought out time. Chicago this October. Top-rated Halloween tours in Chicago. Gangster is the ghost of tour in Chicago. Cost from $35 person, time 2 hours. Inclusion themes walking from professional local guides. Salem, Massachusetts. The famous of rather infamous side of Salem, which trials were not Halloween, list a complete city. Top-rated Halloween tour in Salem history and hunting of Salem guided walking tour cost from $35 person, time 2 hour. Inclusion walking tour professional local guide, Essex Street, Pedestrian Mall. New Orleans, Louisiana. Topping the list of the best Halloween cities in the U.S. Orleans, Louisiana has more than explored both the fun urban legend, the creepy true stories of the dark side of New Orleans. Top-rated Halloween tour in the New York Orleans, adult only. New Orleans ghost tour, crime, voodoo, and vampire walking tour cost from $29 person, time 1.75 hours, including adult only. Walking tour professional local guide. We hope you like the item we recommended and discussed. The travel has affiliate and sponsor partnership, so we receive a share of the revenues from some of your purchase discount, affect the price you pay and help us offer the best product recommendation. So guys, आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ आपको लीड में, तब तक के लिए बाय।